In this video, I will show you exactly how to link your Netlify project with a GitHub repository so you can take advantage of automatic deployments. This process is incredibly useful because every time you push code to GitHub, your live site will update automatically. To get started, go ahead and log into your Netlify dashboard. If you're working with an existing project that you previously uploaded manually, simply click on that site from your list. On the left-hand sidebar menu, navigate to Site Configuration. Then find the section labeled Build and Deploy. Once you are there, look for the Continuous Deployment header and click the button that says Link Repository. However, if you are starting from scratch with a brand new project, the process is slightly different. On your main dashboard, click the button that says Add New Site and choose the option to import an existing project. At this point, Netlify will ask you which Git provider you use, so select GitHub from a list. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize the Netlify GitHub app. You have the choice to grant access to all of your repositories or just specific ones, which is great for security. After you grant permission, search for and select the specific repository you want to link. Finally, you will need to configure your build settings, such as your build command and publish directory, though Netlify often detects these for you. Once everything looks correct, click the Deploy button at the bottom of the page. Your site is now connected and will rebuild every time you update your code. Thanks for watching this tutorial.